Hey guys, how's it going? Ghostly Rich here today, and today we're going to be talking about if one of your headlights goes out, one of your turn signals go out, and on the opposite side, one of your either brake or your daytime running lights goes out on the other side. Maybe you lose your rear view camera. You might think, oh great, my body control module's gone. Actually, it's one fuse. So there's two fuses in this van that do that. Let's just pop this, and then I'm going to show you where it is. There we go. Pop that out of the way. Next thing is I've got the fuse there because I'm going to be replacing it, but it can give you quite the heart attack if you don't know what's going on. So the first one that you need to pay attention to is this is your body control module, and you'll see that there are some fuses on it. There are multiple fuse boxes in this van, but it's important to know where this one is for this issue. So I will point that out to you. It's right above the OBD2 reader there, but you will see two fuses that are 25 amp. This right hand exterior lamp, left hand positioning lamps. So that is for if your right hand headlight goes out, your passenger side headlight goes out, and then in the back it would be your right hand turn signal and your left hand daytime running light in the rear. And then if it's the opposite one, it's going to be this one that's down here, which is your left hand exterior lamps, and that one is a little harder to get to. Now I'm going to show you how to get that. The first one that I had mentioned is at the very front of the module. It is very easy to access, and it sits right here, which I will show you on the module. And the other one is I believe it's the third fuse, sorry, the fourth fuse back. And to get that one, it's easiest to remove this one plug right here to gain access to it. So I'm going to show you how to remove that plug to do this. Give me 2 seconds. And this is the fuse, by the way. So if you want to go buy a fuse before you do this, this is the fuse, and that's how you know it's gone. It's literally missing the whole centerpiece. So if we're looking in here, you're going to see this big connector right here. Now what you have to do is reach over halfway. See how my finger's halfway? And you'll feel a little divot in it. You have to push it down to lift that gray lever. So I'm going to see if I can do this. Push down on the center of it and then pull the lever up. When you do that, this connector gets out of the way. Put it off to the side. If you look in there now, you can access all the fuses, all right there. So again, if it's, you're either going to be the fourth from the back on this row, or you're going to be the very front fuse on the left-hand side of the row. So it would be the first fuse, which is right here in front, but I've got mine pulled out. And then the other 25, there'll be two in a row, and they'll be up there. There'll be the beige colored ones, and it's going to be the second beige color one down the row, not the first one, not the one closest to the firewall, but the one that's a little bit closer to where your feet will be. So once you pop those out, just check that one and check the one in the front, because it's either one of those, and one of those are probably burnt out. And then after that, when you go to sink this connector in, all you do is literally, I'm not going to be able to show you this. It's just going to be too hard. But literally all you do is you sink the connector in the blue part, and as you sink it, push the gray lever down and it'll lock it in. So seat it, and then as you put the lever down, you'll feel it sinking in, and then it'll lock back in. And that's how you fix it.